It is our honor to introduce you an innovative test kit,
MagNoMet, proudly presented by
Orca team!
11 months after a drinking fountain in Horizon Middle School's East Campus tested positive for excessive copper levels, the West Campus is now battling a similar issue, but this time it may not be so isolated.
Throughout last year, over 1 million of students in the U.S. encountered with the problem of hazardous drinking water contaminated by heavy metals, mainly from pipe corrosion. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency or EPA recommendation, they suggest to monitor the heavy metal contamination in tap water every year. Normally, if people want to test their tap water, they need to contact the state laboratory, then the sample container will be delivered to their houses. They need to collect water and send it back to the laboratory where the water will be tested, and then the result will be finally reported back. Based on this process, it is consuming your time and money. Thus, MagNoMet is designed to provide everyone an experience to check water contamination by themselves with lower expense. It can be used in schools, departments, households, or even in advanced studies as well.
Similar to other test kits, MagNoMet is also based on chemical sensor in order to detect heavy metals, but the special thing of our test kit is in the testing agent itself. Our sensors are modified by the attachment of magnetic nanoparticles or MNPs, giving a lot more advantages over common test kits. The heavy metal detection starts when the testing agent reacts with heavy metal ion. The content will change from colorless to a specific color and give a fluorescent emission. After that, MNP will be released. In order to see the color changes easier, an external magnet is used to separate MNP from the matrix. To know the type of heavy metal and its concentration, users can compare the color of content to the provided color charts. There are two types of test kit nowadays, solution test kit and test strip. First, compare with solution test kit. There is testing agent dispersed in solvent which is easy to calculate, unlike MagNoMet which is in the form of powder, resulting in the longer storing period. Also, the shipping cost of MagNoMet is reduced since there is no solvent that causes extra weight. Up to this point, let me compare with another type which is a strip test. Typically, the sensors are coated on the strip for this kind of test kit, whereas MagNoMet has higher detection efficiency because sensors can move freely, so there are more surface areas to react with heavy metals. Besides, after the leaving of MNPs, we can characterize solution left by fluorescent spectrometer to find the fluorescent emission, but we cannot measure the fluorescent emission spectrum of strip by using this machine.
The second point that we want to mention is about the cost. The normal cost for a test by laboratory is at a range of $20 to $40, but our product costs only $3, which is 10 times cheaper. Another point that we want to focus is MagNoMet provides both visible color and strong fluorescent emission after react with heavy metal, while other test kits cannot. Moreover, the product is able to detect various types of heavy metal, including copper, nickel, mercury, iron, and cobalt. And the concentration can be determined when compare the color intensity to the color chart, which is suitable for normal detection. Furthermore, it also can be used in advanced research due to its fluorescent property. In conclusion, MagNoMet has a powder form which gives lots of benefits of storing time extended, lower shipping costs, and high detection efficiency. It also provides both visible color and fluorescent emission, and can detect various types of heavy metals, along with indicating the concentration of metal ions in water.
Due to the greater advantages in both operation and business, we believe that MagNoMet is definitely able to give people the better experience for heavy metal detection, to ensure the quality of water and guarantee the health safety of everyone.